calling Internal Revenue Service. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm returning a call that was made to me.
Sorry?
I'm returning a call that was made to me. I'm Mr. Foster.
Provide me the... Yeah, Mr. Foster is one of my associates. Yeah, William, my name is Officer John Walton, and you're with the Tax and Crime Investigation Unit of IRS. The reason of the call is to inform you that you are being listed as the primary subject in a case being filed by IRS. I have received a legal affidavit against your name, which says that there is an outstanding tax liability under your name, and you also tried to commit a fraud with the IRS, with the federal government.
Ooh, when did this happen? What tax year? I'm just shocked.
Do you know anything about the case, William?
No, that's why I'm asking. I don't know anything about this.
Okay, William. If you don't aware about the case, then let me relay all the information about your case first. But before I proceed and give you any kind of information, I would like to notify you that the lines on which we are talking right now have been recorded and monitored by the IRS, by the local authorities, and by the court committee members. So I would appreciate if you do not interrupt me in between while I'm giving you information. I will address all your questions regarding the case.
Oh wow, have you been recording me from the beginning?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So I will address all of your questions regarding the case once I finish. Okay, William?
Sure.
The IRS, after undertaking a statutory audit of your tax filings between the years of 2009, 10, 11, 12, and 13, has concluded that the taxes worth dollar amount $3,927 have been underpaid by you. The IRS has discovered a strong evidence that this was not a result of innocent negligence. Rather, we have reason to believe that it was a willful act done with the intent to defraud the IRS. The IRS is not claiming that you are not paying your taxes. IRS knows that you are paying your taxes on a regular basis, but then they have done an auditing of your tax returns for the last 5 years, for the year of 2009 to 2013. They had found out that you had failed to declare your actual income, which was higher than what it is mentioned in your returns, and you had wrongly benefited from the reduction for which you were not eligible, and every year for the year of 2009, 10, 11, 12, and 13, you paid the less taxes than you were supposed to. So IRS has decided to press 4 allegations against you. The allegations are: count 1, violation of federal tax regulation; count 2, violation of Internal Revenue Code; count 3, theft by the deception; and count 4, willful mispresentation of an information to a government organization. Now, Mr. William, what this means for you is the IRS will mark a lien on your assets, including your house and your cars. All your non-bank accounts will be frozen and confiscated, which means that IRS will recover your tax debt from the balance available in your bank accounts. You would not be able to access your bank account till the time it is frozen. Your social security number could be blacklisted, which means that you would not be eligible for any government benefits in the future. The credit reporting agencies would be notified about your tax fraud, and they are most likely to downgrade your credit rating. All your wages and benefits would be frozen by informing your employer and government bodies. If you have an existing payment plan with the IRS, then it would stand terminated under Section 30A of IR Code. Your driving license will be cancelled, so you cannot run away from the situation. IRS will get a non-billable arrest warrant issued against your name for the next 90 days.
All right. Well, let's just talk about. You said it's $3,000 something dollars.
Yes, you owe $3,927. This is the grand total amount for the last 5 years, for the year of 2009 to 2013.
Okay. Well, how do I take care of this?
William, if you want to take care of the issue, I need to talk with my higher authority. If they told me that they have agreed upon your resolution, then surely you can get this case resolved. But I cannot promise you that whether you got a chance to resolve it or not, but I can go ahead and I can try my level best. So do you want me to go ahead and talk with my higher authority about it?
With who?
With my higher authority. Do you want me to go ahead and talk with my higher authority that you want to resolve this issue? If you want to resolve this, I need to talk with my higher authority. If they told me that they have agreed upon your resolution, then surely you can get this case resolved. But I cannot promise you that whether you got a chance to resolve it or not, but I can try for you. So do you want me to go ahead and talk with my higher authority about it?
Well, I guess so. It's who is Mahal Thriti? I don't know who that is.
My senior officer. Do you want me to go ahead and talk with my senior officer about this?
Sure, put him on the line. Let's all talk to him.
Okay. Then just stay on the line for a moment. Okay. I just spoke with my higher authority and the court committee member, and they have just checked your past records, and it was clear. So they will give you a last chance to resolve this issue. Now, William, there are some conditions and the rules and regulations to strictly follow to resolve this issue.
Okay.
Condition number one. The condition number one, as my higher authority and the court committee member and one patrolling team is monitoring this call, so you cannot disconnect the line, you cannot put me in a hold, and you cannot put me in a mute. Once the line will be disconnected, they will count it as a flat refusal from your end. Condition number two, we are calling you from the Central IRS. We are not authorized to take any kind of payment over the phone, and you cannot force me to take any kind of payment through a debit card number, credit card number, or any of the banking information. You need to go personally to the IRS office, and you need to submit your payments over there through a tax payable. Condition number three, this is very confidential information about you. This is your personal financial information. You cannot disclose this information to any of the third party until or unless you get the tax clearance certificate in your hand and you get this case resolved. If you disclose it, it will create a conflict of interest, and one more allegation will be pressed against your name. The condition number four, the maximum time which will be given to you to pay this amount and to get this case resolved will be 45 minutes or 1 hour, not more than that. Exactly, you need to do right now. I will provide you the basic information that what exactly you need to do. I will stay on the line with you, and I will give you all the information step by step. Now what you have to do is, you need to go to your bank and you need to get the money in the cash. The reason I am telling you to get the money in the cash, because if you make a payment through a check or through any kind of bank wire, it will take 24 to 48 working hours to complete the transaction. That's the reason I am telling you to get the cash from your bank. convert the cash into the taxpayer voucher, which you can purchase from the government certified store.
No, just tell me the store and I'll go there. What taxpayer certified store are we talking about?
Okay, can you, okay, just stay on the line for a moment. Do you know any of the store, CVS, Rite Aid, or Walgreens, or Kroger store near to you?
Yeah.
Once you have the cash with you, just go to the Walgreens store. Once you reach to the Walgreens store, just stay in the parking lot and call me on this number. So I will guide you that how you need to convert the cash into the taxpayer voucher.
Well, I mean, is this something like a Green Dot card or something? Because I use that for like internet things that I buy on the eBay. You know.
You need to purchase a Green Dot money pack. If you want to write it down, you can just write it down. It's a Green Dot money pack.
All right. Well, let me ask you. You say you're with the IRS central office. Which office are you in?
Sorry?
So which location are you in?
This is the Central IRS, New York.
In New York.
Mongo, New York.
And where in New York?
Elmanga, New York.
Okay. Well, do you have like a case number that you've associated with this so that I can have that for my records?
You can write it. Yeah, you can write it down. It's F as in Frank, U as in Uranus, C as in Charlie, K as in Ken, Y as in Yao.
Oh, you're spelling "fuck you." That's not nice.
Yes. You get that?
That's not nice. I mean, you're committing a fraud by doing this on the phone and passing yourself off as an IRS agent, and you're telling me to fuck off.
You get that? Your case file number is fuck you. Fuckyu. Now don't call on this number again.